Well, okay. Since the last video ran out, I'm doing part two. Um, what we've got here is LA Colors. It's the Rose Lip Duo. We're gonna take first the just plain gloss. And we're gonna apply it very carefully over the lips. It's gonna make your lips seem a bit metallic, which is a really nice change from the matte. Don't be afraid to put a bunch on. Shiny, see? Now, wipe off the brush, and just for a little added, I don't know, appealing look, take the glittery part and and just apply it. So in the right light, your lips are gonna have dark, this dark red look to them. This also makes the eyeshadow you used as lipstick look more like lipstick. See? Still dark, still delicious. But with a hint of sophistication. So, I guess you guys might want to see some variation from the browns and grays I use on the lips. So, I used to have a dark red somewhere. Not sure precisely where it is right now. Um, One sec. It's around here somewhere. Well, anyways, I can do it with a different color. Don't you love it when you use something like that? It was right here not too long ago. But anyway, now to move on to a darker lip color. But without being black or gray. And here's a special little trick. If you can't find a dark red, these light pinks work miracles. What I want to do is take that light pink, just a simple light pink. This is actually Super Illustrious Lipstick Illuminous Pink by Revlon. Now this is just going to highlight the color on your lips. Darken it just a little, maybe. Now you see how that just gave a touch of color to my lips. That's all you need. Now, I'm going to mix some of that gloss I used. And we're going to scratch some of that black out. Mix it with that. And then on the back of your hand, get some more of that lipstick. A good amount. You're going to want a pretty fair amount of it. And just mix. Now paint it on your hand and mix. It's going to create an off kind of rosy gray, so you can take some of your dusting powder and mix it. Make sure you always take more gloss for everything you do to create a decently moist palette on the back of your hand. And just keep making it lighter. And then we're gonna scratch off some of that orange I've used before, copper, and add that. Just keep mixing until you find a red that's right for you. Really, that's all it takes. This turned out a rather brownish color, so we're going to go get the pink again. I'm going to scratch some of that off. Just take a good chunk out of it. I'm going to put that in there. We're going to mix. This is going to create kind of the color of a dead rose, which I'm sure all of you who are doing this look love the idea of. See? Shade of a dead rose. We're going to take our normally wet brush, which is dry now, and we're just going to scoop all of that up onto that brush and apply it. This dead rose texture actually can create a bunch of different looks. Now we're just gonna, I don't know, do casual and take this sparkly gloss, the red, onto our finger, and we are going to apply it. And a good amount, too. Get it on there thick. Get it on there nice and thick. Oops. Every now and then there's going to come a time when you get it on you somewhere you didn't intend to put it. Just wipe it off. Not that big of a deal. There. Now it's a bit more of a Victorian look. If you want to add to that aged look, take the patting brush that came with your dusting powder if you have it. And just tap it on your eyes. And lastly, the main event, something I definitely haven't done before, mascara. Because this is a darker look, we don't want our eyelashes to be powdery. I'm using just a generic eyelash, mascara. And, ta-da, a nice, elegant looking, darker feel. One last tip. If you still don't feel satisfied with the amount of color and you want to put more blue on, the better place to put that would be, let's see in the mirror, right there on the outer corners of your eyes. And just bring it out like a wing. That color might actually do you some good in this look. This look actually complements really well with blue. Just bring it out. You can make it stand out all you like. And voila. There you have a couple different ways to accomplish the same kind of look.